Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make cinema strobe effect on CapCut apps. And for your information, in this video, I'm using a 5.7.0 CapCut version. And let's get into the tutorial. First, open CapCut and click New Project, and then import the video. Here I'm gonna preview a little bit, and then I'm gonna set the duration of the video. I think 5 seconds is enough. Click split and delete. Okay, now you can add effect, video effects, find party, and choose strobe effect like this. Hit OK and adjust the duration of the effect. Okay, now add another effect, video effects, find basic, and choose cinema like this. Okay, don't forget to adjust the duration of the effect. Go back to the main menu, and this is the result. So what do you think? I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.